What's up, Jaycationers? We are here at the Mall of Asia, checking out one of the biggest malls in all of Asia. Done a video here in the past, but I want to see how it is in 2024, and I'm actually hungry, so we're gonna try to find a place to eat first. This place is called Sports Central. I'm in search of Philippine stuff. It's a pretty sick Philippines passion for the hoops, passion for the game. Tatak Filipinas. Is today the day I go to Din Tai Fung? And look, the Nike is right here. I picked the right entrance. Well, this is definitely not like the one in BGC. They don't have any Philippine stuff. I like how bright this mall is, all the natural light that comes in. There's so many different quadrants to this mall, it's crazy. I'm probably not even gonna cover it all. So let's check out Toby Sports, see what they got Philippine style here. They do sell a lot of Klay Thompson Anta gear here. Pacquiao is also a Anta. It's an Asian brand. Oh snap, they got Philippine stuff right here. Now it's not Nike, but they do have JC Filipinas ones for 900. This is actually in my mom's college, University of Santo Tomas. Man, look at this Barbie area they have here. So many Barbie stuff. This mall is huge. Oh snap, there's an Under Armour Manila and an NBA store. All right, we're going straight to the NBA store, guys. NBA is definitely the #1 watch sport here in the Philippines. Hell yeah, I'm definitely copying something here. This is sick. Wow, look at all this stuff here. Oh heck yeah. Check this one out. They actually have the games going on right now because it's a different time zone. Steph Curry Under Armour kicks. Look at that. That's dope. Wow, they even got more here. Different colors. Look at that. And they even got a signed JC jersey. Heck yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. Forget Green Hills. This is what's up. Dude, that is sick. 7,000 pesos. That is the 2002 warm-up that I remember Kobe wearing that. Wow, these are Shaq. I thought these were Kobe. Damn, that would have been sick if it was Kobe. And there he is, the 40,000 point king. Oh, look at that. There's an Olive Garden on the other side. Pass. I thought this was just a European thing, but they have a decathlon here in the Philippines. It's like a Dick's Sporting Goods, but Europe style. Kind of feel like I'm in Barcelona right now. Look at this. Lakers. See, now these are things that I'm talking about right here. Shirts like this, you can work out with. That's pretty dope. I might even get this one. A black one? Well, I don't have my tennis racket, but I can buy one here if I wanted to. So they do have a workshop personalization area. I'm gonna put my last name on it and be a nice workout shirt with the Filipinas. I also got a flag with it. It's extra like 300 pesos, but $6, whatever, it's fun. And decathlon in Manila, that's awesome. Peep that. Manicus 24 at Decathlon. All right, I'm starving. Din Tai Fung is what's calling my name today. So Din Tai Fung it is, guys. And there it is, Din Tai Fung. Feeling some dumplings tonight. Yes, please. All right, guys. It's like any other Din Tai Fung. You fill out the form, quantity, how much you want, and you just match it up to the menu. It's way cheaper than it is in America. And I started off with the sauteed string beans. They'll show it to you right when you sit down, so I got that. And I got like 4 different things, and of course I got a sandwich. I like how they reread you the order and then offer you a couple of other things. And you also get this bag here to put all your shopping bags and your backpack in here so it doesn't get all messy when you're eating. Starting off with the string beans here. Gotta get some greens in that life. Sure, cold, but it's tasty. You get a light bagoong type taste to it, but it's not bad. It's a good appetizer. To combat getting sick, no ice, just San Miguel lights. Ice cold can, tagay. I could drink San Miguel lights all day, so good. And I like how they have a 4-step instruction manual here, so you know exactly how to enjoy the xiaolong bao that's about to come. They made the sauce for me. Looks good. It has ginger, vinegar, and soy sauce in it. We went with the spicy hot and sour soup along with their mushroom dumplings. That's spicy as well.
Thank you, Mansur. Bye bye.
So we're supposed to be mixing it all to get the full effect. Looks like there's a lot of chili oil in this. Oh yeah, I love hot and spicy soup. I mean hot and sour soup, sorry. This is really good hot and sour soup. I guess you're supposed to mix up this too. Mushroom, slippery. Let's try it out. That's good. Wow. The outer layer is amazing. That's what's up. Glad I chose this. Next up, we got the pork buns. We also got the xiaolongbao. That looks so good. We're gonna go with the pork bun first. That's what's up. I'm gonna dip it in the spicy sauce. I'm filling it up, guys. Alright, it's time for the xiaolongbao. Poke a hole so the broth comes out. Some of that ginger. Nice mix of vinegar, shrimp, ginger. That's tasty, except I over-ordered. I'm already full. It's a good thing I got back to the gym today. Canceled this out. But yeah, the xiaolongbao, you dip it first, then you put in the spoon, you poke a hole, then you eat it. It's good stuff. That mushroom was really good too. Everything here is amazing. And it was 1361 pesos, so about 25 bucks. Not bad. They have a huge dining area here, but I didn't realize they even had it in the back. There's more in the back. I promised I'd do Din Tai Fung before I left. I got it done. Oh man, that was good. For 25 bucks, and I got all that food and probably dinner tonight. It's all good. I'm all about that Din Tai. All right, definitely gotta walk this off. So Tickles is definitely a chain. If anyone ever tickles me, you're dead. You're dead. Look at this carousel here. Man, it's multi-floors. I don't think the top one people can go on, but the middle one and the bottom one definitely. Made it to the fast fashion part of the mall. You got Zara, H&M. Oh, they even have a Forever 21 over here. I'm sure there's a Uniqlo close by. I think it's 3rd level. Let's check out Zara, man. What you got, Zara? Well, Uniqlo looks like it's being renovated. It's gonna be 2 floors, and it reopens. Dang it, the one time I need to go to Uniqlo. Now look at this hallway over here. It looks like a construction hallway, but it's got neon lights, and it's very rainbow. Whoa, it's actually pretty big. Let's see what's on the other side. It's actually a pretty long hallway. Oh, it's just the exit. Okay, no, we'll turn around. It's called Rainbow Alley. Ain't nobody take my pride. Ain't nobody hold me down. Reminds me of a P. Diddy video, minus him doing all that weird stuff. Check this out. It looks like a mini swimming pool display. It reminds me a little bit of the Plaza Las Vegas for some reason. Oh, sweet. They have a temporary Uniqlo on the other side. We're gonna have to go check that out real quick. Look at this giant kitty on the 3rd floor of MOA. Her name is Mimi. Who's shaking it? Look at that. Mimi's chilling. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. I'm going to a country where it's super cold in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna need these cotton tights. Extra warm heat tech. When I was a teenager, I loved going to Human. I thought this was the most coolest store ever. I was like 14 years old buying clothes here. I like the name of this store. It's called Tayo. Ethically made in Manila. Looks like it's a women's clothing store. The potty says for your little boy. These are all places you can find in BGC. Macau Imperial Tea, we had that yesterday. Kumi. What the? There's Earl of Sandwich here? In the Philippines? My goodness. SM Skating. Oh yeah, there's a skating rink. I remember this place. Peep that. A little ice skating rink in the middle of a hot island. And here's the MOA food hall. Oh, they have a Pizzulu here in a food hall. Nothing brings people together like good food. True that. I'm gonna have to try this Earl of Sandwich. Holy crap, I did not know they had it here. Wow, I don't think they sell these in America. Merengue, lengua de gato. They even got cakes and stuff here. My goodness. Look at these various pastries they got here. Almond, sans rival, slice. Okay. The sandwiches look about the same. There's nothing different there. They even have holiday turkey. They do have pasta here though. But wow. Okay, we're coming back, baby.
4 to 6 days later.
Alright, Jaycationer, so I decided to use Grab food delivery and I got the Earl sandwich. It's over in Makati, so I was like, yeah, let's try doing delivery because I'm kind of lazy today. So I got the melt and it was only about $1 more, and the Italian. So I waited about 45 minutes for this. Cool, they have the actual Earl sandwich stickers here. Nice little foil wrapper. Okay. The bread looks a little different. Like the sandwich itself looks a little higher. Let's take a look. This is the tuna melt. Unlike in America, you don't get a choice of bread. It just comes with the standard white bread. So the tuna melt is just what it is, tuna melt and cheese. Good thing I got my Tabasco with me. Tuna is good. Yeah, just about the same. The bread's a little different. The bread may not be as good as it is back home in the States. But, yeah, the bread is what makes it in the States even more. But it's still tasty. The sandwich isn't as big, so it's a little smaller, but it works. So I'm gonna eat half of this and then I'm gonna eat the other half of the Italian. We'll save the rest for later. All right. Thumbs up. All right, next up is the Italian. You got your mozzarella, tomato, Italian dressing, and some ham. Ham is okay. It's not as good, but it's still pretty tasty. I think there's pepperoncinis in here. So it definitely is noticeably a little smaller. It's a little higher and thinner, and the bread is not as good as it is in America, but it's still Earl sandwich. And a sandwich will run you about 300 to 400 pesos. So about $6. So Earl sandwich, you definitely get a pass in the Philippines. Are you the best? Are you the same as America? No, but still, I would get it again. Oh yeah. So they got a Tuan kitchen here. Lima Pulu, Frankie's, Easy Tiger, Tiger Manju. This place right here is called Kain. Man, well, I should have walked around the mall. I was just so hungry earlier. This is Soul Good. This is Sea Salt. They even got booths that look like bird cages in here. Taho, Manila. If you're in Cabuyao in the morning, you can see this guy selling taho out of these buckets here, yelling taho, just like that, like at 7 in the morning, taho. They do have a Mexican kitchen here called El Chato, a sushi nori, tandoor, tsukemen, porke, lechon belly, and Filipino recipes. What? Porke? Oh, it's a pork place. Nice. Porke is a little play on words here. Looks sarap. Yeah, check that out. Beat that, Pepita's Kitchen. They even have a playground here. A really nice playground. It's like a Restoration Kids type playground. Look at this. They have a OK Bob place. I like the name. Middle Eastern cuisine. And they have a hanging kebab plates over here. And then they have a world's best suman, Tita Paring. Yeah, SM Mall Asia is freaking awesome. Man, I really want to try that Earl sandwich. I might have to come back here just for that. Oh, I'm sure kids would love this. Weird and Wonderful World of Gootopia. It's like a Nickelodeon slime place. Oh, I like that. They have these Q cranes here. And then the SM sign says, you are exactly where you need to be. And it is the year of the dragon, Lunar New Year. Nice happy dragon they have here. They have some interesting restaurants here. Taiwan Fried Chicken Chop, Chunky Boss. Mao Dao, looks like a Vietnamese spot. Hey, I Am Yogos. They love yogurt drinks here. And Catherine's Cafe. And then you got a nice teddy bear with pink balloons. They even have this area called Game Park, SM Game Park, table tennis, bowling, and they got taters and burgers down the way. Looks like a fun time. Oh man, made it outside. It is grabbing mainit over here. Super mainit. Look at this motto. Create your own sunshine, SM. And they have an outdoor playground, but it's hot AF over here. Oh yeah, check this out. This is that Ferris wheel. This is Manila de Bay. Look how dark those clouds are in the distance. Oh, nice. A little gelato slash coffee spot called Aperitif. Fragile, handle with care. The Mall of Asia. And then you got this really cool fountain area here. Just don't fall into the water. Jaycation Nation, comment down below, is that the same Conrad Hotel as the one in Resorts World in Las Vegas? I'm curious, it looks like the same exact lettering and logo. Oh, and look, there's a Buffalo Wild Wings and a Hard Rock Cafe. It's almost like we're in Vegas. Yeah, Mall of Asia is definitely an entertainment city in one. They have that huge arena out front, this rooftop area where there's a lot of games and playgrounds kids can play, shopping all over the place, and you can make a day or two out of it. And there's hotels around here if you wanted to stay in this area, right by the Manila de Bay? Is it Manila de Bay? I need to look it up. Look at this, caution, mess hall. You can get slimed up in here. So it looks like over this way they have an SM store, IKEA, and a MOA Square. There's the SM store. I think we're gonna go down. Yeah, let's go down. Trying to walk over to the MOA Arena, where Ed Sheeran's gonna be performing on Saturday. Looks like this is like a technology part of, this is like a tech hub part. It's like BGC right here. Aro Chocolate Cafe. And then you also got a Shaka right here where I got that the ube bowl last time. And there it is, your Philippines IKEA. IKEA's made it over this way as well. It cost a little more to get here from BGC. It was about 330 pesos, so about $6-7 give or take. 30-minute ride with traffic. But it was nice to see the outside of BGC for a little bit. And this area is awesome. I actually would have stayed here if I didn't have an Airbnb. I would have stayed around this area. Well, there's your venue map. Pretty huge arena. All right, I'm really tempted to go see Ed Sheeran on Saturday. And here it is, the front of the MOA Arena, SM Mall of Asia Arena. Man, this place is huge. They even have a fairgrounds over on the other side of this area. Well, that will do it, Jaycationers, from the Mall of Asia. Looks like they got some really awesome stores here and a lot of great eats. That Earl sandwich surprised me. I might have to come back here before I leave just to see how it is here in the Philippines. This is the Mall of Asia Arena. We might come back here on Saturday for Ed Sheeran. So please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below what else you want to see here in the Philippines. I'll be happy to take those into account. And until the next one, maraming salamat. Mabuhay Pilipinas. Mahal kita. Stay traveling, Jaycation Nation.